Are you looking to try some delicious Chinese dishes at home? Look no further. We have compiled a list of 5 easy and mouth-watering Chinese recipes that you can make right in your own kitchen. From savory stir-fries to delectable dumplings, these dishes are sure to impress your taste buds and your friends and family. Beef and broccoli stir-fry. This classic Chinese dish is easy to make and bursting with flavor. Tender beef strips are stir-fried with fresh broccoli and a savory brown sauce, creating a perfect balance of textures and taste. Sweet and sour chicken. Crispy chicken pieces are coated in a tangy and sweet sauce, then stir-fried with colorful bell peppers and pineapple. This dish is a crowd pleaser and perfect for a quick weeknight meal. Pork dumplings. Making dumplings from scratch may seem daunting, but with our simple recipe, you'll be a pro in no time. These flavorful pork dumplings are filled with a tasty mixture of ground pork,
ginger and green onions,
then steamed or pan-fried to perfection. Kung Pao shrimp. This spicy and savory dish is a favorite on Chinese takeout menus, but you can easily recreate it at home. Juicy shrimp are cooked with crunchy peanuts, bell peppers, and a fiery sauce, making for a satisfying and flavorful meal. Vegetable lo mein. For a lighter option, try making your own vegetable lo mein at home. This versatile dish can be customized with your favorite vegetables and tossed with a savory soy-based sauce, creating a delicious and satisfying meal. So, why not bring the flavors of China right into your own kitchen and try your hand at these easy and delicious Chinese recipes today?